Say what's up.
What up?
Hey, what's up, everybody? So, we're on location right now. I am with the lovely model Elena.
What's up?
Today, we're going to be talking about bokeh and how to get good blur while you're trying to take a picture of somebody or product, clothing, anything aside from the sky. One thing in photography is going to location and then finding where we're going to be setting up. So from here we'll be able to see on how we can get a good picture in a narrow space. For today's equipment I'll be using a 50mm lens, Sony Alpha A7 II body. When it comes to getting good blur, good bokeh, you want to lower your f-stops. 1.8 or 2.0, that'd be a good area where you can get very milky soft areas where it's like she's kind of blurred out, but then you could see like her expression while like her hair is kind of blurred. I'll show you right now. You'll even see the fence blurred. I'm gonna have her open the door, and then while she opens the door, it's gonna show the whole fence being blurry, but she's gonna be the most visible. Now, for the most part, the best thing to do is whenever you go to any of your functions, take a look at your metering, take a look at your focus area. If it's a spot focus, if it's a center, even a zone, like depending on that will really give you a different type of blur effect. And I'll show you right now. I'm going to be using a spot focus, but a large spot focus. I'm going to be focusing on her face, and then you'll see where I go from there.